What are you doing, Polly? You're trying to play on my computer. Stop! I'm recording! Oh, I know how to turn this thing on. How you get this thing on? We know how to get this on. Here, I'll show you how to get it on. You step on this thing. Huh, you move it around like this. It's like a disco dance. Boom, 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 boom. What's wrong, baby? You don't seem like you're happy today. It's like, yes, I know how to work this thing. I've worked it before. Yeah, let me peck on it here. Come on, it can get on. Hey, what are you doing back here? What are you doing? Hello. Excuse me. What are you doing? Looks like baby's trying to get the computer on. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? Huh? I see you. Yes, I do. I see you. You silly bird. Tricks are for kids. Love you. Love you. Love you. There you go. You're trying to steal my cigarettes. Here you go. Baby, stop. No, you don't smoke. Hey, what are you doing, man? You smoking?
No. No, just the background. It's so soft too.
There you go. Stop! I'm trying to get her to get in her beak again, like she did last time. You'll need a smoke. You'll need a smoke.
As you do it to me, do the feet.
You're trying to eat my cigarettes. Hey, yes, I smoke. Ah, you dropped it. We promote. Hey, stop, man. Stop. Wait, quit. There you go. Why are you trying to eat the damn thing? Crazy. I'm trying to get you to smoke it. Not eat it. You silly bird. Said smoking is bad for you, mama. Hey, you want to smoke? You need to smoke a cigarette? No? Probably don't like to smoke. Baby's like, I smoke. Yeah, give me that nicotine. Give me that nicotine. Yeah, it ain't working. Alright, we're going to good night, guys. Huh? You want to get on the internet? Yeah, we're going to get on the internet. Good night.